Hey everyone, it's Eat Sleep. I'm here with another Sony Vegas tutorial. I'm going to teach you how to make a simple loading bar, and this is what we're going to be creating. Yeah, the little loading text that's whatever glowing, that's just I was bored, so I was like, okay. But the main focus was that red bar that was going across the screen. It's obviously not like that great because it's just basic, but let's get started, shall we? Yeah, I do not want to save Untitled. You are incorrect. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to Media Generators, get a solid color, do whatever you want, whatever color you want. Let's do red because that's a nice color. Red's a nice color. I'm going to move it down, insert some text media. And this is the part that's going to say loading. Yeah, that. The next thing we're going to do is go to our video effects. Let me just drag that out really quick. We want to go down to cookie cutter, choose the square center white border, the third one for me. Might be different for you. But that is what shows up. And we're going to mess with some settings here. You can get rid of the border. Just turn that all the way down. Repeat X lots of times till it's solid, and yeah, you can't really mess with the size too much because it'll not go all the way across. Of course there's other ways to do this, but I like this way because I haven't really made tutorials on this specific way, so I was like, oh, that's cool. Alright, so we have that, just a red bar going across the screen. You can move it to wherever you want, definitely. And I'm going to add 3 dots, like dot dot dot. Change the font to something interesting like that. Maybe tone it down a bit. Make it that color. Kind of contrasty there. Move it up a bit, and there we go. We have that. So the next thing we can do is make our loading bar. So let me restore that actually. If you want to make it so it can only move along the x-axis, so you don't have to deal with it being too high or too low. But if you set the first keyframe all the way off to where you do not see the red, and then you, based on whatever intervals you want, you can move them in. Oops. You can move those guys in there. Move it like that. Maybe even here. From here to here, maybe it moves that much. And then quickly moves again. Maybe that much. And then it goes all the way. We restore. And if we play it, yay, it's loading nice and well, and then it stops, goes slower, and then it catches back up again. Of course you can make your loading bar however you want. So there you go, there's your loading bar. And I guess we'll mess with the loading thing up there. What you can do is you can make it flash. Actually, first we can add, I guess we can add glint. Why not? It's way too much though, so we'll tone it down. Actually, we don't even need glint. I'm not a fan of that. I'm gonna insert a new video track and bring in some noise texture. Go to standard turbulence, bring that on in like that. For our keyframes, you want to move the cursor all the way at the bottom, not the bottom, all the way to the end, and this progress in degrees over here, change it to 10, so then it'll give the illusion that it's actually moving, and that's where our glowy thing comes from. Notice that? Yes, that's where it comes from. It's good. Next we can choose the compositing mode, set that to dodge, and already if you play it you can notice on the loading it's changing colors rapidly and all kinds of fun stuff. And of course you can add your standard glow effect, throw that on there, maybe make it bluish, crease that a little bit, crease that a little bit. Oh, that is awful. Lower that. Get a lighter blue here. It's much better. Much better. Like that. Throw in a little glow, and we can play it back. And my computer's nice and laggy, but it is glowing with the nice little loading thing at the top. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This has been Eat Sleep from the Techies. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Be sure to check out the Techies website for great game and software reviews, as well as a database of all Techies videos. Also, please sign up to our forum where you can request a tutorial or just talk about something that interests you.